Have a Range Rover? You better watch this because a little after a year, you could get stranded. I'm going to help you not get stranded. Let's go. I've had my Range Rover Sport for about 15 months and tried to start it. Most likely, the battery in the key is dying. Well, that's great. What if I'm in the middle of nowhere? Land Rover thought of that. Take your key and place it buttons out against these gill-looking things. Now press the start. If it doesn't work the first time, try a couple more times and your car should start. If it doesn't, you may have bigger problems. If you can't get in your car, there's a button on the side of the key fob. Press it in deep and the key will come out. The keyhole is over this door handle cap, but if you look underneath, there's a small hole that'll help you pop this cover off. Put your key in it and twist it gently counterclockwise. Your goal is to gently pop the cover off to expose the door lock. You're in. And you could just pop the cover back on. We need to change the battery on this. Using the key, you can carefully pry the case off. This is a little hard to do. I used this notch and carefully pried it open and twisted counterclockwise to make a small gap. I then worked the key towards the middle until I heard a snap. You don't want to hear a crack because, crack is whack. You want to hear a snap, like one side letting go of the other. There you go, the culprit. You can see on the cap the clip is in the middle. This is what you need to free up gently and the back will come off easily. I found the best and safest way to get the battery out is to use a driver's license or a credit card. I saw people online using a screwdriver. I'd be concerned this could short something out. The battery slides right out, as it flings on the ground. This takes the typical CR2032 battery. I'll leave a link of the ones I purchased in the description. You'll want to make sure you position this correct. Flat side up and it will slide right in. Align the back of the case up and it will snap together pretty easily. That's it. Put the hidden key back in and let's try out the car. It started right up. It seemed my battery was getting weak. I could still unlock the car doors, but the car wouldn't start. I guess that's a good indication to swap out the battery. Again, for me, it was about 15 months until it started to die. I could have just saved you. Yeah. For that, if this helped, give me a like and subscribe for more help and reviews.